Hi everyone, today we will show you how to trim a video in CapCut. If you want to remove unwanted parts of your clips and create cleaner edits, this tutorial is for you. On the CapCut dashboard, we first need to click on Create Project. Once we are there, we need to import the video and select the clip we want. Then, we drag the video into our media. Now that the video is in our media, we right-click on it. Here, we will see the split option. We can split the clip right here. After placing the split, we right-click again and click on Trim. As we can see, we can now trim the video here. We can adjust the trimming as needed. Once we are happy with it, we just need to replace the clip, and the trim will be applied. This is a quick and easy way to use CapCut's trimming tools to cut the beginning, middle, or end of any video accurately.